Hello, voxel lovers, and welcome back. I am Handpops, and I am going to be giving you a really quick video about an issue that has been persistent, which is the single door templates. First thing that I do want to say is that the team is aware that the single door template is having an issue. Been speaking to a couple of different departments, trying to figure out exactly where the issue is and what actually needs to be changed. But for people that don't know, this is what is currently happening if you take the single door template and recolor it and put it within the game maker. This is what's happening. It's also important to note that even when you attempt to go to File, Export, Upload to Workspace, and try and change the default animation up here, it doesn't actually do anything. Once it is in Workspaces, it keeps showing as closing 01. So no matter which one of these you are selecting, it keeps choosing closing 01 when it is in Workspaces. And that's how it's reading it. So I am going to show you a quick way for now, while you're waiting for these door templates to be fixed, how you can continue creating doors and have them actually working. So what we're going to do is we are just going to give this a quick recolor. Let's just say you opened up the door template and you created a door. And we will go and save this, leave. Now, as you can see right now, I've got a lot of doors that I've been doing tests and everything on to try and solve the situation. But right now we're going to create new asset and we're going to do door video import. I'm making this for this video. And we've opened up a new asset and we're going to go from world and we're going to import hierarchy. So we go to our door template that we did, we import it over. As you can see now, we do actually have this idle, this new animation that's come up. We're just going to rename this. Please rename it to just idle 01 and close these animations. So we have the open keyframes here, and you want to have a close keyframe on all of those. Going to make sure that idle 01 is set as default. And then export, upload to workspace. Once again, choose default, choose which thumbnail you want, that doesn't matter, but default animation should be idle 01 currently. Export, new asset, and we're going to give the behavior a door. I don't think making sure you have this behavior there is important because obviously we can change the behaviors of everything in the game maker regardless, but I always put it as a default just to be safe. Now we have our door, it's not published. I'm going to set as private and I am going to just publish it to make sure it appears. But as we can see here, it's not doing the weird open and closing situation that you might be seeing when it's on this, which is the animation that constantly plays in Game Maker with the other doors. But let's just open up the Game Maker and we'll see the difference between the single door test that I did here and the door that we've imported. Okay, so we're in here now. Let's place our video door first. Placing our video door. Just check all the settings. It's multiplayer door, interact or trigger to open it, opening animation, opening and closing. Everything is normal. And then we'll do single door test number 2. Once we place that, as you can see right now, that is constantly opening and closing. And even when we are selected on it, the exact same things are happening. Everything is the same on it. So when we go in, people will be seeing their doors doing this. If you use the template, and if you did the way that I just showed you, they will work correctly. Template once you interact with it, then it does work correctly. But until then, you are going to be having issues with it. So while the team is working on fixing the door template issue, I do suggest you use the template, the single door template, and save, and then import hierarchy to a new asset. And then that way, your door will work while the team works on a fix. Hopefully you guys have found this helpful. As always, have a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the metaverse. I will see you next time. Goodbye.